You too. Welcome back to the another episode of Barber Maestros. Guys, we have compiled some cleanest haircut transformation for you. As you can see, this guy got perfect low mid fade, and that was just crispy haircut transformation. And you will find more crispiest haircut further in this compilation. This is gonna be a huge transformation because this guy just grown have huge hair and beard too. Yeah, Wester Barber gonna change that client life. Yeah, finally he just changed his client's life. Look at this one. Look at this one. Wow. That was literally most cleanest haircut transformation. Mali the cut inspired that best barber masterpiece. We got another haircut by Wester Barber. Wow. Wester the Barber. I think he is the most talented barber in this era because action speaks louder than word, and that haircut transformation was just insane. That out of this box. We got another one. Back to back fire of Wester Barber. Wow. Damn. That was just craziest transformation. We're moving the another big chops transformation. Let's see what gonna happen. And this is gonna be a huge transformation of the day. Okay. Yeah. Here is the before. Here is the after. This guy got new life. Congratulations, my bro. You got new life. The high temp fade with crispiest shape of line and got some twist pong on the top. That was insane transformation. That's how barber can save your life. That military guy got perfect and some fresh haircut and beard transformation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification to get updates for every new upcoming upload like this. Oh my gosh, that was literally fresh, clean, and neat transformation. Damn, bro, you got perfect barber in your life. He just saved you. I think we have repeated this haircut, but it's worth it to repeat because that was a really barber masterpiece. The way he just changed his life, that was insane. Malikat doing his best job, changing lives, giving smiles on their clients' faces. Look at this one. Look at this one. It's perfect. Bro, you got perfect haircut according your hair type, according your face shape. Okay, sir. Damn, that was literally cleanest crop haircut with low mid fade. And that was the last haircut transformation. I hope you had guys enjoyed. You had all of these crispiest haircut transformation. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe turn on the post notification to get updated for every new upload.